Okay, I'm in the Grayson Highlands and almost to Thomas Nubb's shelter, and I'm here to see, it's a beautiful view, but up there we have our wild ponies, which not even to the shelter yet, and I'm seeing the wild ponies and I'm so excited. So excited. There's the ponies. Hi guys. Ooh. Wow, look at them. They're all wild up here in the Grayson Highlands. There's a colt right there. Hi guys. Oh, there's two colts. And there's another pony. How beautiful. How beautiful. Stunning. I don't want to get too close to the babies. They're probably very, very protective. So, the shelter's right up there. And it's amazing. I got to see them this close, this fast. Alright, take care.